I'm gonna show you how I made this insane dancehall beat in FL Studio. So let's get started. Okay, so for this one, I started with this piano melody. This sound is from the Contact Library Glacier keys. I actually played it on my MIDI keyboard, but because it uses too much CPU, I had to bounce it down to audio. This is the MIDI for it. So after that, I then added this melody. Then I added this block. Then I layered that block with this block. All three songs I made in Serum. Then I added this melody to counter the plucks. And together, they all sound like this. So after I added those melodies, I then added the hi-hat. Then I added the snare rim. So after the tap drums, it felt like something was missing from the melodies. So I then added this. This is what it sounded like before I processed it. Sounds okay, but it wasn't sitting well in the mix. So I added an EQ, some distortion, chorus, low pass filter, this weird plugin, I don't know what it does, but it sounds amazing. And then some compression. So before and after. Now let's hear it in the mix. So after I get the melodies sounding how I want, I then added the kick to complete the drums. So after the kick, I then added the bass. With the drums. So in the verse, I wanted something different for the melodies. So I added the synth pad. Then I layered that with this other pad. Then I added this flute. And that's the entire beat, just to arrange and mix. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Now with all that said, if you want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. I'm out.